Hey, what's up everybody? It is Sully. It is time for the Sabre 45 morning update and talking about everything that TJ and Corey have gotten done in the last day here. We're actually down in the, I don't know, I call it an unassigned space, but that's kind of, I don't know, that's from my Coast Guard background, I guess. I don't know what we'd really call this, mid-bilge area, whatever. We've got our laundry here and whatnot. But down here, take a peek, you'll see we've gone ahead, we've got our holes blown out. We've got a pair of the GT51 transducers. And you see we've also got our smart ducer up there. That transducer hole was cut out, bored out, and then we have to epoxy seal them all up so we know that everything is good to go there. We're doing the GT51s. It seems to be becoming a more and more popular trend for the cruisers. It gives us a really good depth profile because it actually sticks down below the hull with its fairing block. And it gives us a really nice picture of the bottom, but it also gives us that nice side scan imagery. If you're cruising, you're going into unfamiliar areas and being able to see what's on the bottom. I'm sure you guys have already seen it, but we've done Sundays with Sully episode. You guys can scroll back, I think last season actually, kind of going into depth on what these GT51 and what the side scan technology can bring to the table. So, as we make our way out of here, we have, TJ has actually been working on the dash. We've got our formal approval for the dash layout. See, we're getting everything masked out here. So we're putting a pair of the GMI 20s there. We've got our grid remote. You can see we've got some more of the wiring going on in there as well. So all of that's starting to come together. And then as we make our way in back, you'll see we've also started working on the mast here. So we've got the mast starting to get assembled. We've got the spotlight. And the other thing we've got going on here is this guy right here. This is an Airmar weather station. This gives us, you know, wind, apparent wind, relative wind, true wind, humidity, temp, all that stuff on this little guy right here. So this is a really slick thing if you're looking to add a little extra feature to your boat. This little Airmar, what is it, like a 220 WX. Really slick, really nice little guy right there to have. Gives you good environmental awareness of what's going on, especially on these boats when you've got the enclosed helm. You're not necessarily always aware of what direction the wind's coming from or whatever when you're trying to dock and do some of those things. So having that is a huge help. So that's it. The guys are, as you can see behind me, hard at work inside there getting things ready to go. And yeah, we will be back tomorrow with another update on this one, and we'll also be starting the Southport 33 DC Furuno build. So, had enough of the Sabre? We've got a Southport. So, we've got it all coming for you guys. I told you this month is going to be full of builds and day-to-day updates, so there we go. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.